grab a chair. It's gonna be fun.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that tire! Welcome back to my channel, YouTube viewers. This is going to be a simple, quick how to install a Smittybilt hitch on the back of my Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited. All right, everybody. So for this video, I went ahead and removed the bumper and the spare tire. So as I'm installing this, you, the viewer, can see exactly what's going on and how it attaches to the frame. Stay tuned. The tools you're going to need for this install is a fillet tip screwdriver, an 18 and a 19 millimeter wrench. If you don't have a 19 millimeter, 3/4 can work in its place. You'll need a torque wrench. You could buy the cheap type, which is like this, which is just analog, or you could have an expensive torque wrench. Either one will work. Since I have this hitch out of the way, basically the way we're going to install the hardware on this hitch while it's sitting on the frame goes in this channel here. We're going to take a bolt with one washer on it, slide it through the back end, and then through the frame and through the front here, where you install another washer and then complete it with a nut. As it sits, the front of the Jeep will be facing forward, and this is going to be facing backward. So the head of the bolt from underside back going towards the back of the Jeep. Hopefully that makes sense. If you're having a hard time holding up the hitch, you could always use a jack, a paint can to hold it up there. Or maybe instead of the paint can, you could use a block of wood or anything that you got to make it easy for the install. All right, this is what it looks like from underneath the Jeep. What we're going to want to do is go ahead and put a washer on your bolt, like we just said. Stick it through the hole where it fishes through the frame and through the other side. Install the washer and then the nut. Go ahead and install the bolts in the other 3 holes. Follow up by putting the washers on each. And then the nuts. All right, now that we have all the bolts and hardware installed, what we need to do is get them tight, and we need to torque it down to 80 foot-pounds. With all the hardware installed, we could get rid of the jack. All right, guys, once you take the light off the Jeep, go ahead and press on this lever here on the connection and then pull the 2 components apart. All right, so inside your tail light, you'll find foam. This foam basically keeps all the debris of the road from getting back here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull mine out so you know what I'm talking about. This is basically what's inside there. What we're going to try to do is fish the new loom through this hole, but leaving enough exposed so we can plug into the old wiring harness. Let's do that now. All right, so next step, we're just going to go ahead and connect the wiring loom. There's only one way this could go on, as this is a male and this is a female. The Jeep has a male. We're just going to insert the Jeep part until this lever clicks like before. This new male connects into the light's female. Go ahead and plug in the light. All right, so we're under the Jeep now. And what we're going to want to do is fish the wiring loom, which is now outside the frame, over and up over the frame here. All right, so one quick overview. You got the connector. It's coming out of the foam separator here. It goes up and over the frame. From there, it plugs in to those 3 different areas. Everything should be working now. All I got to do is connect it to a trailer and see if it works. All right, and don't forget, that plug right there, that little connector goes into that hole there, and that secures it. So now, let's go ahead and put the light back on, tighten the screws, and move on. When putting your tail light back on, make sure that these tabs go behind the frame here, or go behind the body. The light should be held in by itself at this time. But in order to get these screws in, I like to back it out just a little bit and thread the screw to the area which it screws into. Ensuring it's in the proper placement, go ahead and tighten the screws down. Okay, let's go try it out. Definitely gonna need a new hitch. This one just doesn't seem to be low enough. Hitch is too high off the ground, so we're gonna have to use my dad's hitch a little bit later.
Oh guys, if you've stuck around this far, you must really like what I'm doing. But I could still use your feedback. Would you guys please, in the comments below, go ahead and tell me what you think I'm doing right and wrong, some things that I could improve on. I'm looking to better my videos so you guys are more informed. But this is just a quick how-to video, so I hope you like it. In just a few seconds, I'm going to play some clips on the bloopers of basically me trying to film the very beginning of this how-to. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
How's it going, YouTube? This is going to be a quick and simple video on how to install a Smittybilt hitch on a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Three, two, one. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube viewers. This is going to be a quick and easy way to install a Smittybilt. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube viewers. This is going to be a simple how-to video on how to install a Smittybilt hitch on a stock Jeep Wrangler 2017 Unlimited. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick how-to video. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a simple how to install a Smittybilt hitch on the back of my 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Stay tuned and let's get this going. How's it going, YouTube viewers? This is going to be a quick and easy how-to video of installing a Smittybilt.